You've been told to keep your credit utilization under 30%. That advice is wrong, and it's quietly costing you points on your credit score every single month without you even knowing it.
Here's the truth. Banks and credit bureaus don't explain how credit utilization actually works. Financial bloggers repeat bad advice, and most people are following rules that were never designed to help them. The result? Millions of people stuck with a 640, a 680, a 700, wondering why their score won't move, when the answer is sitting right in their credit card statement. That's what this channel fixes. At Utilization Nation, we cover one thing, and we cover it better than anyone else. Credit utilization. The real numbers. The strategies that actually work. We're just getting started. If you have a credit card, this channel is for you. Hit subscribe. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. Smart decisions. Stronger tomorrow.